Hi, I'm Paul Shogren. Welcome to Principal TV. Each episode of Principal TV focuses on a story in the life of Trinity Anglican School. I really hope you find them enjoyable and informative.
Excellent.
I'm here with Sam Evans, master physics student from year 12, and his magnificent catapult. Sam, why did you build it?
So I built this for my physics experimental investigation.
What does it do?
So it consists of a counterweight, swing arm and a bit of string, and swings projectiles using potential energy into kinetic energy.
And how does the trajectory of the projectile vary based on how you set it up?
Well, a lot of variables come into play, including the release pin and the amount of counterweight.
Excellent. And have you had a look at the relationship between the amount of mass you put on there and the distance it flies?
Yeah, so it's commonly agreed that the counterweight should be 133 times the mass of the projectile, and that's my main thing I'm testing at the moment. Yeah.
Excellent. And what do you think you'll do with this in the future? Have any room in the garage at home?
No, it's probably going to stay here.
Very good. Well done, Sam. Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
Thanks very much for watching Principal TV. Until next time.